Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This time we're going to go over some dash cameras and how you should purchase the right dash camera for your vehicle. We're going to go over the installation, some of the things you should consider, whether it's for your business or for your personal vehicle. So stay tuned and pay attention because we have a lot to go over. All right, welcome back. So today we're going to go over purchasing a dash camera. Now we have links on our website that we particularly have for BlackVue. BlackVue has been very efficient and helpful as far as handling the heat and the stresses and offering a lot of options for people for different various installation types, as far as having a parking mode. They have a built-in parking mode where you can park the vehicle. Now in order to have a parking mode, the camera has to stay on for a certain period of time and it goes automatically into parking mode. So what this means is you need to have a timer module, and the timer module will turn off after it hits below 11.8 volts, which is usually the least amount available on a timer module, or the hours you set. Now you can set this manually on the old timer modules. If you purchase a BlackVue 4K dash camera, all those settings are inside the actual application in your phone, and you can change the time settings from 6, 12, 24 hours if you need the vehicle to sit for a long period of time like that. And you also have the voltage threshold, so it turns off before it kills the battery. Now, we've noticed that a brand new battery rests at 12.6 volts. So if it's going to drop to 11.8 volts, you probably only get so many hours before you don't even reach your threshold. If you really for sure need to have your vehicle sit for a long period of time, you don't want to worry about your battery draining, you need to have the backup battery, which allows it to draw from the battery itself. Now again, the timer modules are separate modules that give you something to program manually if you have a particular dash camera that doesn't have this stuff built in. As far as what we install, we're not worried about the brand that you have. So if you're going to purchase a camera and this is something you need, it's critical that you purchase a Hardwire kit. Okay, so what is a Hardwire kit? Well, you have to open your dash camera up. You can't just buy the dash camera, have us show up, open the box, and us figure out that you don't have everything. It's very important that you know what you purchased. Two important things when you open up the box is if you're doing a single camera or a dual camera setup, and often there's 3 or more cameras. We'll get into that also a little later here. So if you open up the box and you look at your wiring and you have a USB at the end of the wiring and not bare wires, that means you probably have something like this that it's designed to plug into. So what that means is you need to purchase the Hardwire kit for your camera so that we can hardwire it into the ignition or to your backup battery and timer module that you purchased. The only way around this, if you can't find a Hardwire kit, is you're gonna have to purchase a socket adapter, which allows it to go inside to give us the wires we need. Now, this is only going to be for constant or accessory. That is the disadvantage to having something like this if you can't find a Hardwire kit. Okay, so what do Hardwire kits usually include? They usually come with these guys. So I'll open up a couple of these for you so everybody can see what these are. I don't know if you can see, but these are all different fuse tap adapters that allow you to fuse the circuit and tap into the fuse box. We don't always do this particular method. We try to hide everything, especially from dealerships that like to remove stuff. So it's important that we try to hide it as best we can. Usually in luxury vehicles that only have data turn on, and we have to find a particular circuit in one of the fuse panels of the vehicle, we're gonna need these. So I carry some of these, but because we go through so many of a particular size, we may not have it. Same again with the lighter adapter. So The other thing to consider when you're scheduling with us is if you're buying a dash camera and it has a camera facing forward and rear on the same body, that's still scheduled as only a single channel dash camera, okay? If it's a 2-channel camera where there's a front and a wire that has to run all the way to the rear to a second camera, that's a 2-channel dash camera installation that you schedule with us. So a lot of businesses need cameras for their box trucks where they have something they load in the back, there's a folding door and all that stuff involved. You can buy a particular dash camera system where there's 2 cameras that can go on the top, left and right side of the box truck to look down the sides, one facing forward, and then one that we put above the rolling spring in the door so that you can look down behind the truck also. Labor for that is usually a lot more. Last time I did one, it was about $900 with us. This covers running the wire through the box truck, underneath the body, all the way to the front inside the cab. And again, if you need the backup battery or timer module, those are additional. So back to why we recommend BlackVue. Again, for businesses that want to lock out their employees, they have a lockout plate that goes over the body housing so they can't get to the SD card or unplug anything. They also have a solar lens cap that goes over the tube part of the body and gets rid of glare on the image. So BlackVue has been around a little while. They're pretty popular, and one of the reasons why businesses, especially out here, is they're getting dash cameras is because they're being targeted. If you have a company vehicle and it has a logo on it and it looks like you're representing your company, they're most likely going to try to hit your vehicle and try to sue you and try to hit you for damages. These claims can cost a lot of money in court time and all that stuff. So if you're a business and you're considering getting dash cameras, it is a big expense, but on the back end, it's going to save you multiple lawsuits possibly in the future if someone decides to target your company. So thanks again for watching this. Hopefully this helps everyone out. If you have any questions, you're more than welcome to email us a link to the camera that you're considering purchasing and any of the Hardwire kits that you need. So remember, if it's a USB plug on the end of the wires that you have, you're gonna need a Hardwire kit, especially if you want everything hidden in the vehicle. Otherwise, we can hide the wire all the way to your nearest lighter adapter and plug it in that way. We can get it done. We always get it done right. Thanks for choosing Mobile Masters, and have a great day.